It is believed that every Thai person knows a plant that is called lotus. This is because lotus is a local plant and has related to Thai people's way of living for a long time. However, not many Thai people can tell the differences or details of lotus clearly in terms of categories or types. In other countries, most people cannot tell the differences between lotus and water lily until it turns out to be confusion with calling the name of each lotus. Rajamangala Tawan-Ok Water Lily Institute. Rajamangala Tawan-Ok Water Lily Institute is the organization that has developed from the project of lotus research and heredity conservation of the Department of Plant Science since 1991, with the mission to be the first organization or educational institute in Thailand that can breed hardy water lily. Later on, it is clear that Rajamangala Tawan-Ok Institute of Technology Tawan-Ok was the first educational institute in Asia that was able to accomplish this mission successfully and became well known in international level and also received support with lotus heredity from some institutions abroad. This, therefore, leads to the establishment of the organization that is equal to a department in the Faculty of Agriculture and Natural Resources on October 1st, 2010. This organization is considered one of the best lotus heredity sources in the world. Rajamangala Tawan-Ok Water Lily Institute is located at Rajamangala University of Technology Tawan-Ok, Bang Phra Campus, Sriracha, Chonburi. The organization was established in order to 1. Become a place that collects and conserves lotus heredity from sources all over the world by exchanging lotus heredity with the world's leading botanic gardens, universities, and lotus research stations. 2. Continue researching and developing lotus species to become economic crops. 3. Become a water lily heredity source that organizations from government sectors and universities can get access to and benefit from. 4. Become a learning center that the youth and general people can visit as agricultural tourism. 5. Provide knowledge and become a place that can be used for training and teaching about breeding and developing technology of water lily species or the way to make water lily become beneficial in different aspects. In addition, Rajamangala Tawan-Ok Water Lily Institute has been collecting rare species of lotus and water lily around the world, such as tiny lotus from Africa, which became extinct from nature; native lotus from Australia, the group of giant lotus that has ability to change the flower's color as its highlight. Moreover, the Institute has researched and developed species, and the result is the biggest size of lotus in the world. Water lily that blooms at the longest hours in both daytime and nighttime. For all this time, Rajamangala Tawan-Ok Water Lily Institute, Rajamangala University of Technology Tawan-Ok has done research and taught about the most perfect water lily breeding technology in Asia. There are many species that receive the World Champion Awards, including Mangkala Ubon, Jularat, Wan Wisa, Red Giant, Tuan Ta, Chan Vit, Duang Ta Sawan, Tawan-Ok, Mayarani, Yawalak, Sea Shon, The purpose of establishing this institute is for collecting lotus species from all over the world, especially the local species, in order to be the resources for developing species and turning into a learning center that will benefit Thai people. Up to now, we have received many awards in our species improvement. Our next effort is to create lotus species that feature special characteristics, or the ones that haven't existed in this world before, to make Thailand become well known all around the world. This year, we started to construct the building of Rajamangala Tawan-Ok Water Lily Institute. The purpose of this construction project is to focus on research that will expand the range of lotus species by finding various techniques to add more value for agriculturists. A lot of water lily that we have will be processed into dry flowers that can be kept for a long time in different ways. In terms of developing water lily species, we are trying to create a water lily species that hasn't existed in the world before. For example, extra large size of water lily, or the one that can change colors, is the characteristics that no water lily in this world has. Another thing that we are going to do is creating water lily that can be grown around the world in every condition. This will later include people living in a condominium or a townhouse, so that they are able to grow water lily inside the building. With the determination and devotion of staffs at Rajamangala Tawan-Ok Water Lily Institute, Rajamangala University of Technology Tawan-Ok, we proudly do our work. Rajamangala Tawan-Ok Water Lily Institute today is ready to continually develop for the country, and is ready to step into becoming the world's leader of lotus species.